Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Find X5 Lite, and let me share with you how to set camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's enter the camera app. Of course, give all the permissions. Here, basically all we have to do is to simply tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner. What's more, remember that being on the photo mode is crucial, so you have to be on the photo one to find the timer option. So as you can see, after unrolling this option bar, the timer is at the very top. We've got three different options of the timer. We've got it turned off currently because this icon with crossed out clock is highlighted in this orangish color, but we can set also 3 or 10 seconds delay. So let me show you 10 seconds delay, for example. Just tap on the option you'd like to use, and as you can see, it will be immediately applied. It will be also immediately highlighted. What's more, your device will show it to you on the shutter button. So thanks to this, you can always check which timer you've got set. So basically, just tap on the shutter button, and from now on, your device will count down from 10, and after that time, it will take a photo. Alright, it will of course work the same with the 3 seconds delay, but this time it will count down from 3. Of course, you can turn it off whenever you want to just by tapping on this crossed out icon again, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. So actually that's all. This is how to set camera timer in your OPPO Find X5 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.